Sixth graders, today I'm going to show you what I need you to do to get a Google Doc. So in your Google Drive, in your sixth grade folder, I want you to get a new Google Doc. I want you to call it Bullets and Numbering. I'm going to begin typing what this whole assignment is about. You can ask for a hard copy if you wish, or if you'd like to split your screen and do what I'm doing, that's fine as well. So I'm going to type a paragraph talking about bullets and numbering, what they are and how we use them. I would like you to set your font, leave it at Arial, but let's go to a size 14, and that's about the only change that I want you to make. So size 14 font, and here we go. All I'm talking about is lists with bullets or numbers in front of the list. Notice that I'm coming to the edge of my paper, but I'm just going to continue typing. Put a period at the end of the sentence and then a space, and continue typing using capital letters where it's appropriate. If this is just a list that doesn't need specific order, and I use bullets. But if I need to follow step by step, sorry. And we use numbers. Typically, these lists, oh, okay, I forgot to add the word list, have a title or a heading of some sort. But I know what it's about. That's your paragraph. After you've typed that, press enter 2 times. Here's my title for my list. You can see it's going to be about groceries. I don't need my groceries in a specific order. I just need to make sure I get everything on the list. So here's my list. After I typed groceries, I'm going to go up, and right now it's not showing up on my screen. So remember, these 3 dots will allow me to choose these bullets. This is a bulleted list. Take a look at what the icon looks like. You can pick one of these choices. So I'm going to pick this one right here. See, it puts a little dot. That's called a bullet. And then I can type. Now, I can type what goes on my list. When I press enter, it's going to capitalize that word, and I'm going to let it do it. It doesn't matter. Now, it's not a sentence. It's just a list. Notice that it keeps putting those dotted lines under there again, because it's not a sentence. It's just a word. After you type my last item on the list, the pickled pig's feet, press enter 2 times. Now, the first time when I press enter, I'm going to get another bullet because the computer doesn't realize I'm done with my list. But if I press enter again, my bullets go away. So I pressed enter twice, but I'm still too close to my other lists. So I'm going to press it a third time, and it's going to move it down for me. I'm going to put my title in, and then I'm going to show you numbering. So here's my title from my next numbered list. It's not a sentence, so I don't need a period. So I'm going to press enter. Notice it's not putting in the bullets. If I go up here, now I get a numbered list. And I'm going to do this very first one. It puts the number 1 in there for me with the dot, all of that. You don't have to type that. The computer does that for you. Now, I'm going to put these are steps, so I'm putting periods in there. I press enter, the number 2 comes in. Got a period up here, I'll come back up and do it. Back here, pressing enter. I don't want to click down here. I want to click there. So it keeps numbering for me. So you can see that this needs to go in this order. If I did number 5 first, we'd have a problem. So you understand why we're doing it the way we are doing it. Notice that the computer is guessing what I'm going to do. All right. Well, let's say, for example, that I took out step number 5. Okay. Let's say we don't have to put a new bag in here. Notice that if I were to backspace to get rid of that, and then again, did you see what happened? I'm going to undo that so that you can see it. When I backspaced, number 5 is going to go from here and it's going to bump down here. This is going to be 5 and this is going to be 6. Take a look. The computer reorders everything. If you take out a step, it fixes it. It readjusts it. All right. So this is all I want you to do for now. You're going to type this in. And that should keep you busy for a little bit. If you have problems, be sure to ask questions.